special video, a different video for you guys. I will be doing a unboxing video for you guys. Someone was kind enough to send me a rice cooker. Always wanted one, you know, I love gadgets, love everything kitchenware. So I was very excited and I decided that I'm gonna do an unboxing video because why not, you know? Hello. And they bought me a white one, so I'm very grateful. Unbox this baby and see what's inside. I have my box opener. Your girl is prepared. And like I said, it's a Black & Decker rice cooker. It says on the box 16 cup rice cooker and steamer. It's white, so it's gonna be a little different because everything in my kitchen is red. So it says easy rice, non-stick bowl, steamer basket. And just based on the picture, it says it has two different what do you call this now? Two different settings, I guess you would say. It says cook and warm. So let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Dun, ta-da-da. Ooh. Yeah, this nice. And as soon as I open the box, ooh, why thank you. As soon as I open the box, it comes the instruction pamphlet. What them call them something here? What them call this? Like I said, program. Wait, but yeah, the manual. Jeez. As soon as you open the box, guys, the manual is on top. Moving on, we have, I guess this is the top of the. Oh, don't break your nail, girl. Don't break your nail. All right, because I must be a handicap. Okay. The top of the, I guess this is the top of the rice cooker, right? Yeah. Yeah. Then we have a little small measuring cup, and inside we have, I guess this is the steamer bowl that they mentioned in the front on the. Oh, that's a Spanish. Yeah, the steam basket. Yeah. This is nice. Yeah. Inside has measuring like cups inside as well, so that would be helpful. It has it imprinted on the inside, but you can also see it on the outside as well. And then this bad boy. Wow. I've never used a rice cooker before, guys. I'm excited. You know, you have the plug. So, and then them give you a little spoon. That's so cute. Look, yeah, like a spoon. And that's all that's inside the box. That was quick. So put it together. Goes like that. Yes. Nice. You know, them get like a spoon. Oh, so I can steam vegetable in this too. Like, you know, if you're cooking your rice, and you can, while you cook your steam your rice, you can put like a vegetable on top and steam it while you cook. But this is really nice, guys. I can't wait to try it out, guys, and let you guys know. So like I was saying, it has a cook and a warm option on here, which is very cool. So yeah guys, it is so simple, so sleek, so cute. Again, this is a steamer bowl, cooking rice in here. I can't wait to try it and show you guys. Turn off these lights. Okay. Just some cleaning tips, guys. Always unplug the rice cooker and allow it to cool completely before you clean it. I would hope you guys do that with all your gadgets. Wash cooking bowl and glass lid with warm soapy water. If food sticks to the cooking bowl, fill with warm soapy water and allow it to soak before cleaning with a plastic scouring pad. You can even make oatmeal and this talk about a bag of things. You can even cook oatmeal and hot cereals in here. Like I mentioned, steamed vegetable, your girl was already ahead with that one. Yeah, and they give you like different recipes and tips that you can try. It even have a steamed fish recipe. Well, steamed fish, not recipe, but they tell you how to do it, like how long, type of fish, salmon, snapper, whoa, yeah, it tell you, give you a bunch of things in here. Chicken vegetable soup, like you can, it's not just only for rice guys, you can do a lot more in here. And then it goes into Spanish. Your girl don't know Spanish, but yes guys, manual check. Show you guys one more time. That's the inside. So yeah guys, so that is all for our unboxing video. I hope you guys liked these types of videos. So let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about doing unboxing videos. It's fun. I like opening presents. I call them presents. I like opening gifts. So if you guys want to send me stuff, that's cool too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. It means so much to me when you guys support and follow the journey and really like ask questions and DM me on Instagram. I'm all for it, guys. And see you guys in my next video.